Hello everyone, I'm Gangadhar, a Bim manager. This is the next tutorial on YouTube. Please support my channel. Thanks for watching. In this tutorial, we are continue learning about Revit families as we learned in previous tutorial. So, what is families? We came to know earlier video. For now, about duct fittings. It is a system family or loadable family. Let's check it out. I select duct fitting as you see on the screen. There is an option here load family, meaning to say your duct fitting is an example of component family or loadable family. The system family, they are not available as external files for loading into a project, and you cannot create them. You cannot create a wall. You can create data representation of a wall and call it as a wall, but it is not actually a system family. That is another type of family, which is what I am going to talk about later. Go to the architecture ribbon tab. I select wall. It is a component family or system family. Let's check it out. Just click on a wall tool. There is no load family here in the tool palette, meaning to say wall is an example of system family because there is no load option. That's the distinguishing factor. Every time you see a load family in tool palette, that is a loadable family or component family. You can modify the existing system families to set the project requirements or company standards. You can use again the predefined system family to generate new types within that family in our project, which is what I am going to show to you as we move on our discussion. Third type of a family is what you call in-place family. In-place family is a special type of component family, and it is specific to the project in which it is created and edited. For example, you have a different style of air terminal. This air terminal you are not going to use in other projects. This is only specific in this project. Instead of creating a family of that specific air terminal, I will only use it in this project. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select here from the system tab, model panel, click the drop down. You will see here model in place. It creates a component that is unique to the project. The component or the in place family exists only in context of the current project, and it cannot be loaded into other projects. You cannot load it. You can copy and paste to the other project, but there is no load family. Options for this model in place family. This is only specific in the project where you have created it. This is the third type of family, which is in place family. This is a special type of component family, and it is a specific to the project in which is created and edited. For example, if you wish to create an air terminal family, you have to select the category of air terminal and then you select OK. Here just you need to put the family name. Then once you select OK, the environment here will change. The ribbon will change. It will become family editor. See, this is your in place family editor. You are creating a family inside the project. Once you create it, that is what you call in place family. For example, I am just going to create a simple family here. I will just create an extrusion, and then I am just going to put it just beside here as you see on the screen. After that, I just select here OK, then I select here finish. That is already my example. That is my custom air terminal. As you see on the screen, it is selected. This is an in place family. As you can see, there is no option here load. You can copy this is to another project, but there is no load option for this family. This is an example of in-place family. This is a specific family inside your project. This is an example in place. And then if I put here an air terminal besides this air terminal, that is an example of loadable family, because there is load family here, and then this can be loaded and reused to another project. Now the third type, system family. This is your duct. Your duct is an example of system family. There are the three type examples of families. You have the system family, you have the loadable family or component family, and then you also have an example of an in-place family. Now I'm just going to select the 3D view here. Let's further explore our model. For this one, let's say I'm going to select this. This one is an example of system family. This is a system family. If I go to the type properties, you can see here that it is a system family, and then you can see here the type of the family. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the lighting plans. As you see on the screen, I'm going to open a lighting plan. For now, this is my lighting plan. I'm going to zoom in. That's the power of this one. Any changes that you made here in 3D model, it will also affect on our floor plans and your section view and also your elevation view. That's the beauty of Revit. Let me select this light fixture and see what type of the family is this. If I go here, edit type, you see there is no system family, and then there is an option here, load. That is an example of a loadable family. This lighting fixture. Now let us open here our schedule. As you see on the screen, I am going to double click that here. As you see, so the lighting fixture schedule is going to open. In this lighting fixture schedule, I am going to select the B type of the light fixtures to show you the difference. So if I delete from the lighting fixture schedule, it will also be deleted in plan view, overall view, section view, whatever it is. That means to say, once you have deleted or once you have selected from the schedule, that it selects in every viewport. For now, I am selecting one by one B type of the light fixtures to show you the difference. So as you see on the screen, now I have selected multi light fixtures to show you the difference. Now there are 6 number of light fixtures got selected, as you see on the screen. This is pretty useful if you do not know what is the particular element, and on your schedule you just need to highlight that in your view. Again, if you want to show all these views that you have opened, you can just go through the view tab and then tile view. If I click the schedule here, it is being highlighted on the floor plan. It is being highlighted as well in your 3D view. It is powerful. This is one of the best feature in this Revit software. So that is the topic in this tutorial, the different type of families. What are the different types of the families? Just a short review. At first we have the system family, next we have the loadable family, the third one is we have the in-place family, loadable family or component family, system families and in-place family. The component families also referred to as loadable families, or families that can be loaded in your project or in the another project, and you can create that inside the family editor. The other one is system families. System families are predefined parameters and graphical representations. You cannot create system family and then it is not available as external families for loading into a project. And then the last type of a family is in place family. This is a special type of component family and it is specific to the project in which it is created and edited. The reason why I am trying to repeat this because it is the part of the examination. Just in case you are going to take their certificate professional examination in Revit, mechanical, architectural, or the structural or the electrical, this is pretty useful. So this is our topic for today about families. If you have any questions, comments or suggestions, you can put it on the comment section below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. This is it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. Hope that you have learned more in today's tutorial. Please support my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.